Oftentimes we have clients who come to us long after an accident, and when we speak to them, we find out that critical things weren't done at the outset. If you're badly hurt in a car accident in New York City, make sure you call the police and a police report is done. That's important to document the accident. Make sure you contact your car insurance within 24 hours after the incident to report the incident. And also, don't speak to anyone, particularly if someone calls you to interview you about the accident, other than someone from your insurance company. If you're badly hurt, you're going to need to file a no-fault claim and do so timely. If you have injuries that are significant, it makes sense to call a lawyer to understand your rights before too much time passes. What we see happen frequently after a car accident is the insurance company for the other car will contact the injured person and try and negotiate directly a settlement with that injured person. And what they're trying to do is close the claim and eliminate the chance of a legal claim or a lawsuit before the injured person hires a lawyer. It's an unfair dynamic that usually ends up with a bad result for the injured person. The insurance company is essentially trying to negotiate some quick and small settlement for the injured person when they don't really understand what their rights are and before they've hired a lawyer. If you're in that situation, the recommendation is to speak to a qualified lawyer before you enter into any type of agreement with the insurance company for the other vehicle involved in the accident. New York is a no-fault state, and what that means is every vehicle with insurance has a component of that insurance known as no-fault coverage. If you get involved in a car accident, if you get injured in a car accident in New York State, and it happens while you're on the job, while you're working, it's important to consult with an experienced workers' comp lawyer and an experienced personal injury lawyer, because you need full information from someone who's on your side. And you may have your medical bills and your lost wages covered by workers' comp, but you may also have a claim against the other vehicle involved in the collision that caused your injuries in an additional third-party action, something I'll cover in an additional video.